This is a final video to fix visible wireless eSIM not working after installing GrapheneOS. And if your phone suddenly lost signal or refuses to activate eSIM, you are in the right place. Are you facing no service, activation failed, or endless loading after switching to GrapheneOS? This problem happens because GrapheneOS blocks some carrier checks, network permissions, and background services that visible wireless needs to activate eSIM correctly. The phone stays secure, but the carrier cannot finish its setup. When you search on YouTube or social media, most fixes look confusing, long, and risky, and they ask you to change many settings without clear results. On Rexish, I keep things simple, and now I will share a secret easy trick that actually works without breaking your privacy. The trick is to reset only the eSIM profile, enable the required network permissions for the carrier app, and trigger activation using a clean network handshake instead of a full system reset. This method forces Visible to recognize your device again while keeping GrapheneOS secure. You just need to remove the old eSIM, clear carrier app data, allow network access briefly, and reinstall the eSIM in the correct order. Once done, signal comes back within minutes for most users. This saves time, avoids factory reset, and works smoothly on GrapheneOS. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact settings and order, comment below and let Rexish know.